In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile on your Xero credit card. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to head over to the banking section, and down below, you want to click on bank accounts. Now, that will take you to your bank account section. And what you want to do is simply head over to your credit card account. This will be my business bank account. And on the right hand side, you want to click on the three dots for more actions on that credit account. And under the Reconcile column, click on Reconcile account. Now, on your bank account under Reconcile on the left hand side, this will be all of your bank statement lines. What you want to do is simply head over to a bank statement line in which you want to reconcile. And let's say I want to reconcile this bank statement line. And what you want to do is simply head over to the right hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the option to add details. Now, on the add details section, you can set the spent as a direct payment, a prepayment, or an overpayment. On the two, you want to add a title. This will be the same as the bank statement line. You can also add your reference. On the right hand side, you can change the total. And on the bottom of total, this is where you can send the amounts are to in tax inclusive, or no tax. Now, what you want to do on the description or on the item is simply add an account. So on the account column, you want to click on the tab, and in here, you want to set an account for this bank statement line. Let's say this will be my purchases. You also want to set an item if that is something that you want to do. I will set it as none. On the region, this is depending on your tracking options, and on the amount, you want to set it as is. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on the blue button to save this transaction. Once you do that, it will automatically turn the bank statement line into green. And in order for you to reconcile, head over to the bottom and the left corner, and in here, you want to click on reconcile. And once you do that, you have successfully reconciled a bank statement line on your credit account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.